But also, TK Interface does some really cool things with what are called modal windows. And these are cool because they allow you to open files from your computer using your computer's native dialog box. So if I trigger this, if I open that box, what it will do is allow me to select a file anywhere on my computer, and then it'll feed that path to that file as the file name. So then I can open that up the same way we've opened a text file. I can use it for saving. I can use it for all kinds of stuff. And the cool thing about this is, there we go. Yeah, that'll work. If I run this, check this out. I have made my Instagram filtering program into a graphical user interface. So if I want to, I can load a file from anywhere on my computer now. Okay, so I load a file and I click another button and it applies the filter to it. And I can even keep filtering it until it's like completely filtered out. But the nice thing about this is that it allows me to, oh, that's a big file. Probably don't want something that big in there. There we go. All right, so I can load a different file. I can apply filters. I can save it. So you can do some really cool stuff with those dialog boxes now, because now I'm not limited to just files that I've previously downloaded into my computer. I have the ability to, or I'm not limited to files that are sitting here in this directory. I can open a file from anywhere on my computer and use it like a real program. So there's that. I can choose colors using the native color picker for my Windows or Mac or Linux program or Linux computer, and that will give me the code for that color back so that I can then use that if I want to. So choosing colors is useful. I can do a message box like this to the user where they can just click OK. I can do one that gives them a yes or no choice. I can give them one like this where they can input something simple. This is literally the graphical user interface equivalent of the input command that we've been using all semester. So it allows me to ask for a string, and they enter something, click OK, and it goes straight into that variable. So some really cool, useful stuff there, just by way of thinking about your design.